Meanwhile, health officials in St. James are again expressing concern about increased COVID-19 cases in the parish. The numbers since the Christmas celebrations have led to a final plea for compliance heading into the New Year jubilance.
Up to December 30, St. James had recorded 1,375 positive COVID-19 cases. Of that number, 48 persons have died because of the virus. But Medical Officer of Health for St. James, Dr. Marcia Johnson Campbell, says there is now greater cause for concern with the ongoing Yuletide celebrations.
In the last week, we've had 28 new positive cases of COVID-19.
The health department is now concerned that continued disregard of the COVID control protocols on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day will result in a rapid increase in positive cases and more deaths.
As the Jamaican parlance is, COVID still a keep. And as we move into the end of the year and to the new year, we are aware that persons really want to have a good time, they want to socialize, they want to meet up with friends and family.
However, she is warning that this kind of activity will lead to greater numbers in January. It's why she's again urging persons to avoid social gatherings, to wear masks properly when in public, and to wash and sanitize hands regularly. With what seems to be a new spike, the St. James Public Health Service team is also urging persons who believe they may have been exposed to the virus to get tested.
Come the first Monday of the new year, we will be available to do testing. And so we encourage you to call the St. James Public Health Services at 952-2512 or 940-0617 to schedule an appointment to have testing done.
She's reminding persons that while testing positive is not lethal, confirmation will allow for the implementation of proper measures to protect others and hopefully stop the spread of the virus.